you've done so many ads, right? How does your stack look like? Okay, Kyle D'Souza goes into the office sits in for an interview and he's hired. What is your first demand with respect to stack?
So I'll speak of it from a paid perspective first. I mean, it
Please.
depends on what objectives you're looking at, right? Now, when you look at paid, like you said, Google and LinkedIn for almost any SaaS company is kind of there. Then I've also worked with platforms such as G2 and Capterra because in B2B, you need to have listing platforms, right? Because that's where the audience is likely to be. They're not just going to
Yeah.
be anywhere else. They're going to be looking at this because that's the community basically.
Yes.
So there are also programs in place for that. Then more importantly, right, the ads I would still say for a paid marketer is never just limited to just the ad dashboard. I've worked on landing pages. I've worked with the creative team, hands-on with them. You need to be intertwined in all of these things, right? Because it's not just about what you own on your own. It's about what you co-own as well with every
Yeah.
single team. Because ultimately, that's what's going to drive your channel, right? The way I see it is that whether it is organic or whether it is paid, those are just enablement channels, right? Without content, SEO is not going to fire. Without the right kind of ads or the right kind of communication messaging, your ads are not going to fire. Without the right kind of content, email marketing is not going to fire. So you have to have everything locked in place. These channels will work if everything works. Nothing really works in a silo anymore. I think because paid typically brings the fastest results, it kind of builds that
Yeah.
perception that it can work. But that's more of a band-aid approach, I would say. It's not going to solve your problems in the long run, nor is it going to help you be a consistent channel.